Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to tag photos on Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. In order to tag photos on Facebook, simply start by tapping on this app icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account. Then simply start by tapping on this three horizontal line at the top right and just tap on your profile to enter on your profile. And also you can simply directly enter on your profile by tapping on this profile icon at the top middle. Just search for the photos. You can also search it from photos directly, or you can just search it from your timeline and tap on the photos that you have shared and just select this icon at the top, this tag icon. Just tap on this tag icon at the top and again tap on the photo. And here you can search the name of the person that you wanna share, tag this photo, and tap on that person name. That's it. Simply this is how you can tag someone on your photos. So hope this video helped you a lot to tag someone. And also make sure to like and subscribe this channel as well before you go. Thank you for watching.